Okay, so we are going to make a quick review of this trade, which is Euro out, on how I literally come with the confluence and how I take this trade. So when we start from our weekly time frame, this is the summary of the confluence. Where in the weekly time frame, we have the price hit a strong resistance level, and also we have similar price reaction at the same level, and also we have rejection from the psychological area of interest, all of that. In the daily, we have rejection from EMA, rejection from area of interest and psychological area. But in the four-hour time frame, we have pattern, retesting of the structure point and the retest of the neckline of the head and shoulder. So the reaction, as you can see, so how I come with this counter trend trade, because of the fourth similar reaction, weekly similar price reaction. So whenever the price reaches at this strong level, we have rejection, and then we head to the downside. Rejection, we head to the downside. Rejection, we head to the downside. Rejection, head to the downside. Rejection, head to the downside. The same thing happened here. We have rejection, weekly rejection, then price continue to head to the downside. When you head to the daily time frame, you can see price rejection from this area and continue to slow down. Daily price is bullish. When it comes to 4-hour time frame, remember we are trading with we are going with the counter trend against weekly and against the daily. So when you go to the 4-hour time frame, for us to consider this trade at the values, we need price to have a mini structure. We have this lefty head, something right shoulder, and then we break around here and then you retest of it. So we have break. This was Monday, where we have break, retest, and then we have this bearish rejection candlestick in the 4-hour time frame. But this was last on Friday. So this was last Friday. So on Monday, this is when the price opened up in Monday. So Monday around 4 a.m. This is when the price closed. So I start looking my entry around 4 a.m. So when you come to 1 hour time frame, we are in bearish trend. 30 minutes time frame, we are in a bearish trend, and then 15 minutes time frame where we got our entries. Where we got our entry was around 4:15, was around 4 a.m. So 4 a.m. is when I come up with this. Trade. So the summary of confluence, all the confluence was represented in this chart over here. Let's see as represent in this table over here. So the reason to come with the trend is the reaction, similar price reaction in the daily, in the weekly time frame. This was the reason why I started to look for counter trend. Yeah. So far, but other trade which was GBP card. This didn't play as I anticipated. So as I expected the price to break and retest, nothing. Break and retest, nothing happened, and the price continued to move in the anticipated direction. So the trade that I caught was Euro out. That's all. So this was just to record this video for myself to show how the counter trend setup I can go them. So for me, the reason to go with against the trend, there must be similar price reaction. There must be similar price reaction around either daily or weekly, or even 4H time frame or around those big time frame.